How to make ad using ad maker on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make ad on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open Picsart application on your mobile device, and on the home page of the application below you will find 5 different icons. Here select the second icon next to home icon. Once you select it, you will reach to discover page. Here scroll down and under marketing contents, swipe left to find online ads. Click on that and you will reach to this page. Here you will find various templates you can use for your ad. Once you find the template that you are interested in, go ahead and click on that try option below the template. After clicking on try, you will be guided to the editing space. In the editing space, you can now customize your ad. By clicking on this text, you can change its font and many more. So in this way, you can make ad on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.